Hello and welcome back to App Hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make your Facebook private. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells so that you won't miss another update. Now let's get started. First, open your Facebook app, and then on the top right corner you can see the three-barred menu. You tap on it, tap on the gear icon that appears below the menu. After that, you can see the privacy checkup option. Simply tap on it. Now over here is where you basically maintain your privacy. You edit all these options or these topics lead to, and then you can control your privacy around your Facebook account. Let's start with who can see what you share. This topic will go through your profile information, posts and stories, and blocking. Blocking is for specific people. You can control who you share your posts and stories with, and your profile information, who you share them with. Tap on continue. And if you want your account to be private, make sure that you're setting all of this information to only me. Go ahead and tap on next. This controls who sees your posts and stories. If you tap on the drop down that appears over here, then you'll be given with different options. However, if you want to filter out from these friends as well, then there's an option for that, which is friends accept. You can also have only me option, specific friends option if you tap on the more button that appeared as I just did and go back. Now you can also control the way your stories are shown to other people. Again, drop down. Over here you have either public, friends, or custom. So if you set it to public, anyone on Facebook will be able to see your story. If you set it to friends, then only your Facebook friends will be able to see your story. However, if you select custom, then you can choose who gets to see your story. Tap on hide story from, then you choose who doesn't see your story. After that, you go ahead and go back. Now, limit past posts is basically where you change who can see past posts that were public or friends of friends to only friends. So basically anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may still see them. So if you tap on limit, then that's what it does. After that, tap on next, and this includes blocking. So if you do not want to see someone's posts on your Facebook, then you block them. If you don't want them to see your posts on Facebook either, then you block them. When you block someone, they will no longer see the things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, etc. Then go ahead and tap on next, tap on review another topic. The next thing that may help your account become more private is how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on continue. Now, friend requests is the first topic under this section. So this controls who can send you friend requests on Facebook. Set it to friends of friends. After that, tap on next. Over here, make sure that if you want your account to be private, these options are set to only me. This will basically hide your phone number and your email to yourself only. Tap on next again. Now, search engines under this section explores how people can find you using links to your profile. If you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile, then you toggle the switch to enable this option. If you do not want this, then you simply turn this off and tap on next. Tap on review another topic. Next topic that may affect your privacy is your ad preferences on Facebook. Tap on it, and then you can see under this you have learn about ads, profile information, and social interactions. Tap on continue. Tap on next. If you want your advertisers to reach you based on your profile information, then you enable all these options. This will help filter out advertisements that will be shown to you on your Facebook account. If you want to disable this, then that's an option as well. Tap on next. If you don't want people to view your social interactions on Facebook, then you can simply tap on the Your Friends button on the drop down, and then you can see the option of only me. After you set it to only me, your friends will no longer be able to see what you've liked, followed, commented, shared, etc. After that, finally tap on next and tap on review another topic. And these are all the important updates that you're going to have to do to make your account on Facebook private. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.